in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the video stream quality on the Apple Music app. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Apple Music app and then select Music up in the menu bar. Go down and select Settings. And then you want to select the Playback tab at the top, and there should be something that says Video Quality, Streaming, and you can click on the drop down. You can select what quality of streaming you want, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.